Well, hello everyone. Got some more parts for the truck. Got them on the tailgate. Let's go look at them. I got a complete Mallory ignition system for this truck. I was going to refurbish the distributor I had, which was actually for a 440, and I was going to have to get an adapter to make it work. But then I got a crazy good deal on a 383 brand new Mallory Distributor on eBay that I could not pass up. Basically, I paid for this what it costs to replace the electronics in it. So I got a complete Mallory ignition system, and I got the Mallory circuit protection right here, and this is the 0.8 ohm ballast resistor that they actually recommend using. So I will eventually have this Mallory Unilite ignition system on this truck. The factory system that's on here is really working okay, but I want a performance ignition on it. And I got some more parts in the backyard, but first let me show you something else with these. I got some billet aluminum plug wire separators. So that's going to look nice. I'm going to have blue and red under this engine compartment. So I got some more parts in the backyard. Let me get back there and show you what I got in the backyard. I got all my spare parts off the parts truck. Still might get a couple of pieces off of it, but I got the bulk of what I actually went for. And I did decide to go ahead and get the whole cab because it's I think better in the long run that I get the whole cab. That way later I can decide where I want to do the splice. But you can see above the windshield is very nice. I think this is actually metal right there. Might have a little bit of primer on it, but it's in really good shape. The windshield has a little bit of white around the bottom. I believe that's actually the plastic inside the windshield itself starting to discolor. So I need to pressure wash the windshield and see how that comes out. See if I'd be able to use that. But the floorboard in this truck was really bad. They actually have aluminum street signs as the floor. And so since the floor was completely crap and I didn't need it anyway, we just cut it away from the fenders because we couldn't get the hardware off the fenders. So instead of fighting the fenders for a few hours, we just used the Sawzall. There's the back glass that I can't wait to get in my truck. It's going to be awesome having a sliding back glass. But the metal around here is very nice. Looks like we got a little bit of spot right there, but that's really tiny. And got a small spot in each corner right there, and right there. But still, that's very manageable compared to what I'm dealing with on my truck. And we got the doors right here. Still need to pressure wash everything because everything's still filthy. Got the door panels in really good shape. So I got them leaned in and not leaning on anything that I'm going to save or that's potentially could damage. So there's that side. Got the grill right here with all the plastic pieces. They look like they're intact. I'm going to get my pressure washer after it here pretty soon. And it is got some damage up here, so I will have to get creative with some sheet metal to actually form what the original piece actually looked like. And thankfully I have a template that I can, I have a good grill that I can, or a halfway decent grill that I can go off of, which is on my truck right now. Really can't wait to get all of this cleaned up. The turn signals have their wiring, so all that's still there. And I got the gas tank inside my storage building here. Get this opened up. Got the gas tank right there. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use it I'm going to try my best and see what I can do about actually fiberglassing the entire backside of this tank to get it solid again, and then start about my cleaning process and just see how it turns out. I need to organize my storage building again because I got a bunch of parts come in here, and got both these camper special emblems. I don't need them, but I like them, so there they are. Yes, there's all my parts. Now I can get the pressure washing everything, getting everything clean. Still need to finish getting some trash out of the interior, but it's all good. Everything's here. Now I can have fun with my pressure washer. Well, I was going to wait to pressure wash it, but I figured I'd go ahead and do it. And it looks good. Windshield, I did inside, pressure washed inside and out everywhere I wanted to. But I might actually not use this windshield even though it's not broken. It still has that discoloration on that lamination, and all that's going to do is just continue to spread throughout the whole windshield. So I'm probably not going to use that windshield. Still thinking about it though. But it cleaned up nice. All that nasty algae growth and mold growth is off of it. Inside cleaned up. This sliding back glass cleaned up very nice. The doors cleaned up nice too. And though I'm not using them, I still wanted to have them clean, so it was less gunk that I had to deal with whenever I started to take them apart. And the back glass cleaned up nice on the outside. Still needs a proper cleaning, but pressure wash just to get all that nasty buildup off is a good thing. There it is, and the grill also cleaned up very nice. I did find a small crack that I could probably fix once I get these out. I could actually probably fix that. But the grill cleaned up very nice. Didn't really have to, but I pressure washed the backside too. It looks good. But there it is. There's my parts, all pressure washed and ready to be disassembled. First thing come out of this cab is going to be the back glass. But the doors I'm going to take apart and actually use the vent windows in my truck, because these are very nice, and the ones in my truck are missing parts and not so nice. But there it is. There's my parts, and I'll see you later.